got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to stay.
I have never seen a robot like this. It has to be the first time. What is this thing?
My first reaction when I saw the robot, I said, what? You're gonna do what? What you're gonna do? How? Okay.
Rather than spending time in line waiting for food or coffee, or having to stay nearby to the cafeteria, our technology allows employees more freedom to spend time how they want, where they want. Whether it's having a late lunch at your desk during a busy day, or going outside and enjoying a snack with colleagues, our robots can help.
So what we're doing is we're using robots to autonomously deliver food, drinks, and snacks to customers.
We're enabling everyone to order food directly to their building or anywhere they want outside. Beyond the convenience of having food delivered, we aim to save people time. So how does it work?
A campus employee or visitor will go to starshipdeliveries.com.
Download the app on your mobile device and you're in there. That's it. Start ordering food today.
They open the app and they're presented with many options that are available from the local cafeteria.
You can get a burger, you can get a Philly cheesesteak, you can get popcorn, you can get whatever you want.
They drop a pin on the map and that pin represents where they're going to meet the robot. They finalize payment and then they go to a screen that says how long it'll take till the robot arrives. Typically this is 15 minutes or less. The kitchen receives a notification that a customer has just placed an order through the Starship app.
When we get an order, we stop what we're doing, we make that order first, get it out quick as we can.
While the kitchen is preparing the meal, the robot starts to travel from either its most recent meeting point or from a staging area to the kitchen itself. The kitchen then places the meal in the robot and then dispatches it to the customer. The customer will receive a notification that says your robot's en route. The robot uses the most efficient and quickest method to drive autonomously to the customer. The customer will then receive another notification when the robot has arrived at the meeting point. The customer is then notified to come down and meet the robot. They'll be able to then unlock the robot and take their food.
So this small little cute robot delivered my lunch today.
I just love getting my food out to the masses. This is a different, better way to do it.
I would absolutely use this service again. Probably tomorrow.
If you've ever had to clean out your clogged shower drain, then you know how gross and disgusting that glob of wet hair can be. Well, never again. The solution is finally here. Introducing DrainWig. With DrainWig, you'll never have to worry about clogged drain again. You simply leave the DrainWig in your drain, and every few months you just pull it out and dispose of it. You don't have to touch the yucky glob or even look at it. It just takes seconds to pull out and throw away. It's completely disposable. This is how it works. Water and hair spin down the drain. As it spins, the hair gets caught in the DrainWig's stainless steel chain and tiny rubber whiskers. Over time, as the hairball builds up, it can easily be removed and disposed of. There's no more need for harmful chemicals that are dangerous and can ruin your pipes. No more need to dredge out your drain by hand the old way. DrainWig is the easy solution to a very nasty problem. You can also get a DrainWig for your tub. This DrainWig allows the stopper to seal all the way shut, so no water leaks out while you bathe.
My name is Jennifer Briggs, and I am the inventor of the DrainWig. I have 5 daughters, and they all have beautiful long hair, and we clog drains. Our drains were constantly getting clogged, so we invented the DrainWig out of necessity. And now over 100,000 people are using DrainWig, and they love it. You can finally let your hair go down the drain. Don't worry, your drains are being protected. I promise you, it really works.
One visit from the plumber can cost over $80. DrainWig can save you money and all the hassle. To order, just call or log on to the website. You'll get 4 DrainWigs for just $19.95. And with DrainWig, your shipping is always free. DrainWig really does work. And to prove it, we'll give you a full 3-month, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So don't wait. That nasty hairball in your drain is growing larger every day. Call or log on to the website right now.
With Keepies, you can turn your bowls, cups, and mugs into vacuum-sealed containers. Keepies works on glass, ceramic, plastic, and stainless steel. To ensure a long-lasting vacuum seal, the rim of the container must be smooth. Make sure there are no chips, cracks, jagged edges, or seams like these, which can allow air to escape. If this is the case, we recommend you use a different container. Before sealing, use a wet paper towel to wipe the rim of the container to remove any food in the way. Also make sure the lid itself is clean. To vacuum seal, simply place Keepies over the container and press the clear membrane. Now you have created a leak-proof vacuum seal. To release the seal, place your thumb on the handle and your finger under the lid next to the rim of the container and pinch. You can see the seal release and air rush back in. If the clear membrane appears too loose, just run it under hot water or place it in the top rack of the dishwasher, and it will tighten right back up again. Keepies can be neatly stacked and stored in the pantry, freezer, or refrigerator, and also nest together for compact storage.